Hi everyone, I'm Rian Deploy, CEO of Cancelled and the Lean6Sigma Academy. Welcome to our journey through the 5S methodology, a powerful tool for organizing and optimizing your life and your workspace. In this short video, we'll explore the key aspects of 5S, its history, implementation, benefits, and what the future holds. So let's dive in. So what is 5S? I get asked this all the time. So 5S is a systematic approach to workplace organization aimed at creating a clean, organized, and efficient environment. It originated in Japan and has since become a cornerstone of lean management. The benefits of 5S is vast. It leads to increased productivity, reduced waste, improved safety, and boosts employee morale, making it a valuable tool for the industry, especially around cultural change. The 5S principles are the foundation of this methodology. So we're going to do sort, shine, set in order, standardize, and sustain. Each step plays a crucial role in transforming your workplace. Now let's delve into the history of 5S quickly. So it originated in Japan. 5S was first introduced by the Toyota production system. I'm sure you've heard of TPS in the 1960s. So what's that, like 60 years old by now? So to optimize the efficiency and quality in manufacturing. Over time, 5S spread across various industries worldwide and is now accepted in all industries, from manufacturing through to healthcare, offices, and beyond. Its simplicity and effectiveness made it a popular tool for workplace improvement and also your personal life. Now let's learn how to implement 5S. The process involves 5 key steps that lay the foundation for an organized workspace. So yes, there is Japanese terminology that can be used for this, but I choose not to because it seems to always confuse people a little bit, and it's not necessary. So our first step is what we call sort. So we're going to identify and remove unnecessary items from the area, from your office, from your workspace, anywhere where you decide to implement 5S. The second step is shine. So why do we do shine second and not set in order? Because we don't want to be cleaning stuff that we're going to put in place and then we have to remove it again. So first of all, we get everything out of the area, we keep whatever we're going to keep in a sort phase, and then we clean up the workspace. We clean the space, we clean the racks, we clean the desks, we clean whatever needs to be in there. Then we move on to step 3, which is set in order. This is to organize remaining items for easy accessibility. So when we say easy accessibility, there should be nothing in front of it. It should be easy to reach. Items that gets used more often needs to be closer to the work area. Things that gets used, maybe weekly or monthly, a little bit further away from the immediate work area. So give it some thought when you get to set in order. Then we're going to look at step 4, which is standardize. This creates consistent practice for upkeep. So we standardize the way we operate. We standardize where we keep our equipment. We've got shadow boards up so people can see if tools are missing, if anything on our desk is missing, like your computer maybe. So step 5 is sustain. And this is where most places fall apart. Most cultures fall apart because we're not good at sustaining. And this is because we need to develop a culture that's going to support the continuous improvement. We do this through, yes, there's a swear word called audits. But, it can be part of standard work. It can be part of our culture to just check on a daily basis at our shift handover, when we get to work, if everything is there that we need, in order for us to sustain the cleanliness and the organization of the area. Remember, 5S is not just about cleaning. It's about keeping your workplace organized so it can become more efficient. So here's some helpful tips for successful 5S implementations. Involve the team. Don't go do stuff to people. Involve people with the whole process. Provide some adequate training. We're going to copy our 5S module on here that tells you exactly how to do 5S, gives you the templates, gives you the 1-point lessons, Gives you the video narration on how to implement 5S successfully. And then review it regularly and improve the process. And remember that your standards also change. So keep up with the standardization and the standards that you set in these areas. And in your life, if you want to get rid of, all the clutter and waste in your life, you can follow the same process. So what's the benefits of 5S? Starting with increased productivity. By organizing the workspace, tasks become more streamlined, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. 5S also reduces waste, whether it's time, resources, or materials, resulting in significant cost savings for the organization. Moreover, 5S improves safety by eliminating potential hazards and creating a more secure work environment. And when we talk about safety, we're not just talking about factory safety. One place that I worked at or contracted to, most of their injuries were in the office and not on the factory floor. So be careful with this one. As a result of a clean and organized workspace, employee morale receives a significant boost, leading to increased job satisfaction and overall motivation. Now you ask, how does that improve morale? Well, do you like pitching up at work and everything is disorganized, things are all over the place? Do you like coming home and things are disorganized? Your lawns hasn't been mowed for 2 months? No, it's not a good feeling when you get to work or when you get home and these things are happening. So yes, it does improve morale, it improves teamwork, it improves the way that you feel and the way that the positive environment that you have to work in. Okay, so how do we measure the success of 5S? It's all about the positive impact it has on your workplace and on a continuous improvement culture it fosters. So instead of us accepting clutter and waste and stuff just lying around, we're actually more efficient because we can find stuff easily. We can talk to each other, everyone's doing the same thing. And that helps us build our culture. So be very aware this happens over time, it doesn't happen overnight. As we look to the future, the 5S methodology will continue to evolve and adapt, benefiting businesses of all sizes and industries. This is not just for the big boys, this is not just for small business or medium size, this is for everyone. You don't need your manager to tell you to implement 5S or clean your workstation or get organized. This is something that you can do by yourself or as a team, and you don't need anyone to push you. And as we always say, you don't need a massive budget for this either. Cleaning doesn't cost much and organizing doesn't cost much. We've done this in the middle of Africa, we've done this in the middle of, in the middle of the bush where there's no resources and people get organized and they are a lot more efficient at what they do. So thank you for joining me on this, with this video and on this journey through the 5S methodologies. Let's start implementing 5S today and experience the transformative power of an organized and efficient workspace. So hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and stay up to date with our progress and new developments surrounding our ever-evolving company and learning materials. Very exciting times for everyone. Thank you, everyone. Talk to you later.